Hi, you. Welcome to Bitchin Kitchen. So, every now and then I like to cook and I like to bake. Sometimes it's simple, sometimes it's more elaborate, but we're gonna do some simple stuff right now. So, first things first, I need a cocktail. So, pardon the framing. Maybe if I got real small. That's not okay. Bitchin Kitchen. We're gonna try this. That's cats. I'm gonna make a cocktail, and I'm gonna call this a refrigerator cocktail because we like to open drinks and use a little bit of it and then put the rest in the fridge, and they sit there and get kind of flat, but they got to be used. I don't like to waste. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon, lime, or maybe it's just lime bubbly water for a base. That's all I got left of that one. A little bit of ginger ale for some sweetness. This honey whiskey. I mean, here this mango rum. You know, I gotta tell you, you could smell this right now. You could smell that one of my cats just employed the litter box, if you know what I mean. And that's yeah. Put a little bit of lime in, orange. Heck, I promise I haven't had a cocktail yet. Today we're gonna make energy balls. Start with some peanut butter. I got extra crunchy because these are little bite-sized balls, tasty balls. We are going to use crunchy. Then we're going to add some a coconut. This is sweetened coconut flakes. I do wish they'd have had unsweetened just because I'm trying to keep this kind of healthy. But they didn't have any. So we're just going to, just dump some. We want, oh, that was a big clump that just came out. We want to make sure that the sticky and the dry ratio is appropriate to clump the balls, to keep the balls, to hold the balls. Then you're going to add some oats. Smells like oats. I have a lot of oats. I better start making things with oats. And again, I'm just going to eyeball it because it is a ball and you want to eyeball your balls. Then you got to put, excuse me, sir, put some honey. Got to add a little more sticky. And of course, your honey can be adjusted. You know what they say, you can always add more, but you can't take away. You can find recipes for this online on Pinterest, and they'll actually give you measurements. Yeah, but you're not going to find that on this particular thing. I've got to smell everything. These are just mini chocolate chips for sweetness. Again, go by what you want. Now, these are semi-sweet. That's the only kind I could find of the minis. You don't have to use the minis. They just work better in a ball. If I could have found dark chocolate minis, I would have gotten those because I prefer dark. It's not as sweet. It's a lot richer, though. We like them rich. Finally, flaxseed, because it's got things that are good for you. It's got things. It's got flaxseed. Do I know what flaxseed is? Well, it's a seed. No, but it's ground up, so it's like a powder. So it doesn't taste like seedy, you know? But, there's all kinds of benefits to flaxseed, like health. Spatula. I love you. Okay, there we go. Kind of got to use the back of your spoon, though. Got to really smash it all together. You want all the flavors in every bite. So each ball is a perfect bite of flax and oats and coconut and chocolate and honey and peanut butter. These are technically, excuse me, sir. Are you not getting enough attention? Did you want to show everybody your butt? There you go. All right, so I got to try just to make sure I've got all my proportions. very peanut buttery. Put a little more honey in there. So I'm going to ball all of this energy in a bowl. Boy, if I could just bottle up all that energy. I know. Why don't you ball up all that energy? Ooh, oh, 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 I'm balling. And these little guys, why did I call them guys? Now it sounds dirty. These things, these balls, are great for on-the-go snacks. You can throw a few in a baggie, and you can throw a few in a sack and take them to lunch. Stop! Okay. Keep seeing these flecks of red in here, and I'm like, what is that? I didn't put anything red in there. And it's the skin on the peanuts that are in the chunky peanut butter. Little bits of skin here and there in your balls. Balls can be messy. Wash your hands. Okay, then you put them in an airtight container. Pop these suckers in the fridge. Let them sit in there 10-15 minutes to get a little more firm. And then your balls will be ready to eat.